Teacher, can I go to the bathroom?
No!
Why?
Because we're still studying if we're done. You need to learn something.
If you didn't let me go here, I will go here.
What did you just say?
I'll go here, I will be here.
Fine, you can go. But only 10 seconds.
I'm done.
Did you learn something about your baby?
Kring, kring, kring. Oh no. It's time to go home.
No, the bell did not dismiss you. I do.
So what's the bell for? Just sound effect?
Fine, everybody go out. Just never see me again. Hi, friend. Look, I'm new tablet.
Oh, that's pretty. But yeah. But my dad died.
But my dad died.
Oh, I had a tablet, but I had a father. Is that your father is good there because you have some milk?
What did you say to my mother? So don't put anybody. Don't. And I was suspecting teacher.